I watch a lot of Tanmay
Yeah.
reacts. And Tanmay and Rohan Joshi, I don't know why, they are like a combo deal for me. I was thinking about it. What is it about Tanmay that is so relatable? I remember at one point, he had done those TikTok reaction memes.
Okay.
TikTok
No.
was leaving India. And one last hurrah, we'll watch all the cringe ones. And it was so funny and so lame that anyone would come over. We are like, did you watch this? And we would watch it again.
With
I think
the one that they used to review.
yeah, and it was
Yeah.
bad. Like bad in the sense, not Tanmay bad. Like, what are we watching? I went into a spiral of kya hoga is desh ka if everyone is doing. Tanmay he has other channels also, man. I think he does something on finance, technology, AI. Like, there's
Really?
no space he's not in.
Wow.
Then he has his tie-ups with Netflix. He has done Fabulous Lives also, and then they interview them.
It's like Netflix sponsored kind of deal.
Yes, yeah. I think
Yes,
he
yes,
and
yes.
Rohan Joshi are interviewing Shalini and all.
I think Tanmay started with AIB, right? They're probably one of the first ones to start this whole stand-up where it has reached now. He's our age. Okay,
Didn't
so
he go
current.
to the same college as you?
Yeah, yeah. So we were together in Mitibai. I knew him in Mitibai. This is how many years ago, man? 21 years ago.
You might have known him. Did he know you?
Yeah. He knew me at that time. We weren't like steez or anything, but we hung out sometimes. And I'm not surprised by the career choice that he has made, because even then, like 21 years ago, he was a prankster even tabhi. We were all hanging out together, and tabhi pata hai compass box wala phone rehta tha na, Nokia ka. I had one of those phones where I used to play Snake and all. मैं ना तो Mitibai, they didn't allow phones. So if you're caught with the phones, then कुछ तो था उसका repercussion. I am a rule follower, okay? So I used to take my phone, but always on silent. So this guy, before one of the lectures, so उसके पहले वो बोला कि ए तेरे को तेरा phone देना मेरे को कुछ तो something. He made up some excuse. And like a fool, I gave him my phone. तो वो तभी पता है साइलेंट मोड ऐसा आता था ऐसे. So I had put it on silent mode. So what this guy did, which I found out only later, is he went into the silent mode का setting and he increased the volume to full.
Clearly, he knows technology well.
Yeah, and I took it back and screen पे मेरे को silent दिखा था. Put my phone in the backpack and I went to class. In chemistry या physics का कुछ तो class चल रहा था, and someone's phone starts ringing loud, and I'm like, कौन है ये ऐसे? I'm looking around, you know, and I am तो super confident. I have Urvashi Rautela का confidence here कि अरे मेरा तो हो ही नहीं सकता है ये. And the professor, she was like, whose phone is it? Whose phone is it? करके. And she came, okay, and I'm like, मेरा तो नहीं है. I was safe. And then she caught some other bhalta guy only, re. I know. I still remember that. This is a core memory. She came up and then she went to the last row and that idiot had their phone out. It was not their phone ringing, but their phone was there. So she came, give me your phone करके phone लेके गई. I completely oblivious to the fact that this is not his phone. I go out and then after some time I take my phone out. They 3 missed call. And still I did not think, okay, ki. Then I went and then Tanmay comes and he's like, hey, कैसी है रे? I'm like, ठीक हूँ. Like, तेरा phone किधर है? I'm like, ये ले. अरे यार. So he put it on ringing and I was like, did you call me? And that's when I realized that he had done this. And then he purposely called me 3 times to get me in trouble and get my phone confiscated, but it didn't work out, thankfully. वो बेचारा कोई तो भलता आदमी फंस गया. It was an attempted prank.
So you knew a celebrity when he was not a celebrity.
Yes, I did. I think this was in the 11th standard. He was fun to hang out with. So he was a fun guy. And clearly he still is.
Yeah. So yeah, for me it's Tanmay Bhatt. Rohan Joshi, I just like him. Like very relatable. So I remember Wake and Bake. I think Ushma and I, we had watched it together and we were laughing a lot. So, you know, then that sticks as a memory.
Yeah.
And Rohan Joshi is so Bombay. He's just Bombay.
Yeah.
कुछ बॉम्बे का like you're thinking, you're feeling hot, you're feeling क्या weather है, क्या traffic है, उसका story में जाके आ गया होगा तब तक कि this is how you're feeling Bombay.
I think for me also, like just like you're saying, if it is relatable, it is much funnier. So I completely get it. But I I haven't watched a lot of Rohan Joshi stuff. Even Tanmay Bhatt, I have not watched a lot of his stand-up as such. I had watched many years ago some of AIB stuff together, like what they've
Yeah.
done, the infamous roast that they had done.
So, you know the skits, शादी
Yeah.
में क्या होता है, and ये लीजिए थोड़ा चाय with a dose of patriarchy. All those things, what is
Yeah.
going on in the mind.
You
That was
say it
like,
out loud.
yeah, so funny and so new at that time.
Yeah.
In
Yeah.
terms of India, this was very refreshing. So I
Yeah.
think Tanmay Rohan, because when they were in AIB and they used to create all these kinds of content, and over the years, so much of their content we've consumed in different forms.
Right.
So for me, they are number one. So let's watch another Tanmay one.
भाई भाई हाँ ये क्या है
क्या है
ये समय की मांग है।
What?
It's like right now Inception हो गया. Like we are watching.
Yeah, we are watching Tanmay watching Samay Raina and Akash Gupta.
Yeah.
That is Inception.
God. Yes, it is Inception.
God, yeah.
So one more of Tanmay.
गिर दिल से दिल के पुल क्यों टूटे हैं। आई एम नॉट सेइंग आपको ऐसे गाना है, लेकिन आपको यू हैव टू मीन इट। गिर दिल से दिल के पुल क्यों टूटे हैं। अबे पुल टूट गए।
Where do they find these?
मैंने घर में 2 ही कमरे, इस कमरे में दादाजी पीते हैं, इस कमरे में ये, तो बहुत गंदा लगता है।
एक कमरे में दादाजी पीते हैं,
एक
एक कमरे में पिताजी पीते हैं।
हाँ।
अब दादाजी तो कुछ देर बाद टपक ही जाएंगे।
That's Spooky Maharaj for you.
Is Pookie Maharaj, is he a stand-up comedian? Is
Yeah.
this an honorary pension? I have a question about Pookie Maharaj. What is his actual name?
Aniruddhacharya Maharaj.
How did he become Pookie?
He's so cute. Like he's not a gyan giver.
Clearly. And that too, to like a 10-year-old child, he said. I hope whoever's listening enjoyed. Subscribe and like and follow us on Instagram over coffee or wine.